Welcome to my channel. My name is Mira and I absolutely love cooking. Today I want to share a recipe for an incredible Turkish puff pastry. This is one of the fastest ways to make borek. Let's start with the dough. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of water. Next, add 20 grams of fresh yeast, which is about 0.7 ounces. If you use dry yeast, you will need 7 grams, or 2 1/4 teaspoons. Mix well. Gradually add 2 cups of flour. Add it slowly and check the consistency. The dough should be soft and not sticky. Now cover it and leave it in a warm place to rise. While the dough is rising, let's prepare the filling. I'm using leftover mashed potatoes from dinner. It's very practical. Finely chop 1 onion and sauté it in oil until golden. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and cook for another minute. Also, finely chop a small bunch of fresh parsley. Mix the potatoes with the sautéed onions, the parsley, some mozzarella cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of sweet paprika. I'm not adding salt because the potatoes are already seasoned. Back to the dough. Divide it into 2 pieces . And let them rest for 10 minutes. Then, roll it out very thinly. Look, this is the thickness the dough should be. And now, an incredible trick. Take some soft butter and apply it like this. This is much faster than any other method I've tried. If you like this recipe, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Fold the dough. Apply more butter. And fold again. Cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge until the butter is firm. Do the same with the second piece. Roll out the first layer and put it on a baking tray. Spread the filling evenly. Any filling works here: meat, cheese, or vegetables. What is your favorite filling? Let me know in the comments. Cover with the second thin layer and pinch the edges tightly. Brush with egg wash. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. And cut into pieces before baking. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, until it has a beautiful golden crust. It's ready! The puff pastry looks incredible and smells so good. A crispy crust and very tender dough inside. Just look at this filling. Try it yourself and enjoy it with your family. Bon appétit!